Welcome to another Simple Dad Facebook Messenger tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to restrict and unrestrict on Facebook Messenger. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can support me by liking this video so YouTube can push it out to others who need this tutorial. When you're restricting an account on Facebook Messenger, you're actually just blocking the message from being received. The other person will be able to send a message, but on your side, you won't be able to see the message. So let me show you how to restrict this first on Facebook Messenger. Open up your Facebook Messenger. Now tap on the person you want to restrict. Then tap on the person name at the top. Scroll down and you'll see this restrict icon. Tap on it. Your chat with that person will be restricted. If this person tries to message you, you won't see the notification at all. Now to unrestrict that person, you need to search for that person in your Messenger app. Tap on the person's name in the search results. Then down below, you'll see this option to unrestrict. Tap on it. This will unrestrict the account and you can now talk to the person via Messenger. And that is how to restrict and unrestrict on Facebook Messenger. If this helped you out, then please consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.